Broca's area is located in the left cerebral hemisphere. More specifically, it is in the cortical region of the inferior frontal gyrus, which is found in the frontal lobe. Paul Broca was a French surgeon in the 1800s. He was the first person to link this area to word production. It was discovered when patients with damage in Broca's area had difficulty with creating coherent sentences. This condition became to be known as Broca's aphasia, which includes the deficit in ability to produce language. This can also mean the impairment of reading and writing skills. However, the comprehension of language usually remains. While it is known that Broca's area plays a part in language, the exact role is still being debated. Some believe that it controls grammar, syntax, memory of specific words and meanings, or the muscle movement of the tongue.